episode 3, season 1 of Starbirds. Start now.
Okay, everyone. We have survived those villains coming here. Okay, everybody. I can't believe that happened. Wait, I thought that you were. Wait, was this from that clone machine of what you made? I may have made a clone machine to replace him for us. Okay, I totally did. Hey. Well, big group family again. That four. Hey, where is he? Where is Obi-Wan? Oh, sorry, I'm here. I can't believe you made a clone out of him, though. You have him back. I'm sorry. I really wanted him. Anyways. Ah! Oh, that's him running to us right now. Okay. Die clone. I don't wanna die! Well, that clone died. Cause we had the original one back. Woohoo!
I can't believe that this happened, but we got a new ship out of it. Do you want to see? Yes or no? Click in the description box below. But seriously, you're just going to see our ship right now. You said yes, so go to the ship. We're going to get on top of the ship and then we're going to fly on it. Want to see me fly? Whee! Whee! Excellent! Safe for children. The ship is not for sale, just letting you know. We're all going to go on a test drive and try to find those rebels. Everybody go to the ship one by one and then we'll stop. Some people might die on the way, some people might survive. We don't. We are on now. Are we on now? Now are we on? Yes, Master. We're gonna aim to those rebels. 3. No, I fell. 3, 2.
Oh my gosh! The villains are here! Everybody attack! Oh!
Protect Jabba and him.
Yeah! Blah! Blah, 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 blah. Who are you? Wait. My twin brother. I found you after all. You're not my twin, you little creep. Time to die, brother. Well, this is what you say.
I'm leaving.
Ooh, let's lift up this lid and you'll die. Oh. Can I at least have some fun around here?
This guy here too.
Well, this sucks. No.
Guys on top. God on top. Get on top. Get on top. Keep him comfortable. So I have to talk to these two. Back to the good guys.
Well, this sucks. Wait, didn't nobody say that line? Who really cares? But we need to save Obi-Wan the DJ Nobi. Okay, everyone? We need to save his butt. Booty licking. Wait, lick my booty. I'm joking. We need to kill him. Kill him now. We need to kill all of you. We need to kill all of you. I need to kill. Need to kill. I'm craving to kill. Kill. Ooh, little buddy. You want to be killed? Nope. I'm joining the dark side again. Ah! Why does he always switch teams? I don't know. They're actually gonna kill us. Wait. One. Guys? Get the reviving machine. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. Can I be on your guys' team again? Please?
Came off and then on. So, no, if you want to be on this team, you're going to be held captive of keeping Obi-Wan Kenobi safe in his place.
Why not? I just go in there too. Please, because I don't want to die from someone. I want to be safe. Yay, I'm safe! Yay!
Now, got the place and we'll work on it, okay? On a special trip to go find the rebels.
I'm sorry for killing you. I was just really craving to kill someone. Okay. Anyways, that's the end of this episode. See you inside the next one.
Next episode, bye!
Bye!